Okay, so once you dry it, it's like that. It's kind of frozen actually. It's crazy how quickly it gets frozen. But it's dry. It's nicely dry. So now you want sake. You don't want to use the cooking sake because cooking sake has the salt in it. It'll be very salty. Just something like this. Just you want to just soak it in there. And this is the way we're gonna cook this through. Use grill. We're gonna use oven today to make this thing. This is called a kazariji. It's like a decoration salt on the tail. I think that should be fine. It's you know, very moistured with the sake. This is totally different from traditional way. This is just, I figure out this is very tasty. I like sake taste, and sake taste actually adds the good flavor to it. Make sure you fill the pan with water and bake for 10 minutes.